how to archive boards on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to archive boards on your Pinterest so you can hide them without deleting anything. So let's dive right in. Open up your Pinterest app, head over to your profile in the bottom right corner. You'll find your boards. So just tap on the board that you want to archive, and then you can see three dots in the top right. Just tap on it and then tap on archive. So just confirm it, and that's it. Archiving a board hides it from your profile. Pins and followers will not be deleted, but you can unarchive the board whenever you want. So that's it. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.